Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, navigation bar. What is navigation bar and what is the menu bar? What is the left side menu bar? Why we require to use? Yes, pretty for the navigation of the user. If he is used to click somewhere else and we have a populating home screen where he press the home screen, he needs to reach at the beginning of the point of the application. So how pretty easy to apply this navigation bar of Bootstrap. You will see in this more details about this in this video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss you and explain you some interesting topic like for every page we require a menu item. Most of the pages you have seen that top at the place it's a menu item is there for navigation button. For this navigation button, very easy to you can get it. For that, I will show you how simple as it is. Once you go to the Bootstrap and go to the documentation under the components, you see here under the components there is a nav option is there. NAV. Nav means navigation options. See now there is a nav bar. Now see you can choose as you wish to integrate a nav bar like a simple nav bars. Is as much as simple brand. It's a new nav bar is a nav bar is there here, and simply I'm taking this is the nav bar and going to copying this code, copy and open our back to our project. Yeah, back to our project here and open our base.index.html. Base.html. Under the body, you can place this code of the nav bar and go to code and reformat the code here, and it will be reformatted, and save it and reload the page of our project. See here, nav bar. You will get the nav bar here, and you can add the menu items and all as you wish to add here. Similarly, there is a sidebar is also you require to have that particular content, and for that you need to simply what you need to do is once the nav bar is implemented, see that nav bar what you have to make it as make a one div container over there in the base class to the body here, and now see here, see div and the space class that equal to container div container, and the end of the div you place these two lines to within this container box. Alright, now you refresh, save it and reload the page. See, its left alignment is also possibility to make it is which is comes under the control of complete code in the Bootstrap only. Alright, how see it is the beauty, as much as simple. Alright, I hope you can easily create like applications using Django by these sessions. At the end of the session, I hope you have simply create n number of products. You can add as much number of products in this session, you will get the information about it. Hope you better understand with all the sessions. Thank you for watching these sessions. Wish you all the best.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.